In the still of the night, I think of you. My heart beats with every thought of you. You're the one I can't let go. In your arms I find my home. Love, sweet love.
Hi guys, today we're gonna be looking at two sneakers from DHGate, and I want us to look at them together. So quickly, we're just gonna start with the first one, yeah? So this is the first one we're gonna be looking at. So I think this is the Nike Vomero 5. Yeah, let's see what we have here. I mean, this is the Nike Zoom Vomero 5. Yeah, so let's see. So this is exactly what we got here. Well, it's lightweight and it's soft. Yeah, I think for the price you'll be getting these. I think this is fine. This is okay for the price because it's very affordable. We have the Nike Vomero 5 right there, as well as the Nike Zoom cushion right here. We have this in there, and as well as the sizing details on the tongue. This is hard, why we have a soft mesh-like material right here. It's a lightweight shoe. I mean, it's made of soft material here. And you also get a free pair of socks in the package. This is how it comes. Yeah. You can wear this every day, anytime to anywhere. It's comfortable. So let's see how this looks on foot. And for the second pair, we're going to be looking at this. I've forgotten what I got here, but let's see. Oh, it's an Addidas sandals. So let's see what we have here. So the seller was so nice to package this in two just to protect one of the boxes. This is what we're working with. As for me, I particularly do not recommend you getting this particular shoe because I don't like it wasn't done nicely. This is not exactly how the real one comes. This darker for the real one, and the material isn't made of this, neither is the color of the tongue and the front part here made of this color. This is darker than what the original one should look like. So production on this for me, it's a pass. But for the price you're getting it, if you want something just affordable, something you could just wear, you could just get this, and I'll put the link below. But this don't look like the original one. Yeah, it was nicely done, but it's not exactly how it should be. Under the sole, you have Addidas as well. I'm gonna test this on foot as well so you can see. And if you have interest in getting it, despite the fault in this, please just check the description below. If you're okay with having this, you can get it. The link will be in my description. Another extra piece I have for you guys is this Prada that I got along the week, and I decided to add it up for this review. So, this is the Prada slippers. I think it's just called the Prada slippers, yeah? They don't have all these fancy names that attach to designer product or whatnot. So these looked gorgeous. Unfortunately, we're out of summer, but I can't wait to put this on next summer. Honestly, while I was looking at this, I couldn't really tell if the spreader written on it was how it's supposed to be. I mean, the one on the footpath was too good or whatnot, but that's fine. We'll be stepping on that anyway. So if you want to get any of those items, the link is gonna be in my description below. Bye, guys.
In the still of the night, I think of you. My heart beats with every thought of